Key not working on your 2015 Toyota Hilux? Don't worry, it's probably just a dead battery, and you can replace it yourself in minutes. All you'll need are two flathead screwdrivers and the new CR1620 battery. Flip your key fob over. There's a small notch at the bottom corner. Insert a flat screwdriver and twist gently to pop the cover open. Inside, you'll see a dust cover over the battery. Use your screwdriver to lift it off. The battery is embedded in the slot. Use a smaller screwdriver. Insert it into the notch, slide it down, and pop it out. Put your new CR1620 battery with the positive side facing up. Put the dust cover back on. Snap the fob cover shut. Give it a quick test and you're done. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.